Good day, everyone. It's me again, Kiara Rumarati, BSHM 1B, and I am your cocinera. This time, I am going to prepare main dish and vegetable recipe. But of course, as usual, we have to prepare first our tools and equipments. In our mise en place, we still have here our chopping board. Of course, we still have our saucers for the ingredients like garlic, bombay, and then we still have here our bowl and also a plate where we put our vegetable slices. Next, for the utensils, we still have our knife, of course, spatula, silver spatula, soup spoon, our kitchen shears or the scissor. We still have our fork and spoon, and of course our measuring cup. Alright, next in line are this, our colander, and 2 frying pan. So for my first recipe, I am going to make chicken teriyaki recipe for our main dish. And we need, first we have here the sesame oil. Next, soy sauce. We also need vinegar, sesame seeds for toppings. We also need green onions and white onions, 2 cloves of garlic and a little bit of ginger. We also need black pepper powder and seasonings, and brown sugar. We also need oil, and lastly our chicken. Supposedly, I am going to use chicken boneless, but sadly, it's out of stock. So I substitute this chicken drumstick. So for your information, chicken teriyaki, or the term teriyaki, is a Japanese dish that usually use fish or meat that is marinating with soy sauce. First, let's heat or cook our chicken first before adding our sauce. Okay, so let's add oil. Now let's put our chicken. Let's wait for the chicken to turn into brown or slightly brown or golden brown. And after we achieve that, let's set aside this first and then let's make our sauce. Now it's time for our sauce. Let's add 1/4 cup of soy sauce, Next, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And also let's add 1/4 cup of sugar. Let's mix it. Then let's add our onion and ginger. Now let's add a little bit of oil. Let's add our garlic. Now the garlic is already turned into golden brown. Let's follow up our sauce. Let's just lower the heat. Let's add a little of seasonings and black pepper as well. Just a pinch of it. Also seasoning. And then mix it again. Let's wait this to boil for a little so that, and then let's put our chicken. Now I can see that the sauce is already boiling. Let's add our chicken now. Next is that I'll be adding rice to our main dish since this is a main dish and I am a Filipino and I love rice. So we have here leftover rice and I have also here garlic and of course butter. Let's just chop and slice this garlic. Smash it again so that it's easy to peel. Let's just mince this garlic. Now I'm heating this again. Let's lower the heat. Now it's already hot and then let's add 1 tablespoon of butter. Then, let's follow up our garlic. Here's our minced garlic. Next, let's add our rice. Of course, let's add a little bit of seasoning. Just a little bit. 1 to 2 pinch. So for our second recipe, I'm going to prepare vegetable recipe, which is the buttered mixed corn vegetables. The ingredients that we are going to use are, first we have butter, carrots, green peas, and our special corn. And of course, we also need to add black pepper powder. Let's wash our carrots. It's the only vegetable we have to that is there to be washed. For our carrots, we have to form it into small sizes of dice. Now all my ingredients are already set and prepared, and I have here my carrot. I only use half slice of 1 piece of carrot, and I have here a half cup of green peas. So let's pour it here. And for our corn, I am using 1 can of corn. So let's go and heat this up. Now I am already heating our frying pan, and I am preparing now the powder, which is half slice of the whole bar. I think it's already hot. I don't know if it's because next, our carrots. Next, let's put our corn. Next, our green peas. And lastly, let's add a little bit of black pepper powder.
Kyoto, Kyoto, Kyoto.